Hey everyone, I'm Peter, and today I'm going to show you an interesting Shopify plugin that can take your tour booking store to the next level. Imagine you're selling tour packages online. Every trip starts with a base price, but customers may want premium accommodation, private stays, or upgraded experiences that increase the package price dynamically by a percentage. On top of that, you may also want to offer optional add-ons like airport pickup, guided tours, or travel insurance with fixed extra charges during checkout. So how can you build all of this smoothly inside Shopify without creating a complicated setup? Let's check out how I achieved this using the Aco Product Options plugin. Hi there. Today I'll show you how to get started with your first form. First, let's create a form from the Add New Form button, located right here on your dashboard. And just like that, you're ready to start building. Let's dive in.
And then, let's add our first field to the form. Let us use the Select field for adding the tour package variations. Let's rename the field label to something meaningful and add some options to the field, which helps the user to choose at the time of booking. Here we are adding the tour package variations, such as Base Package, Deluxe Package, and Suite Package. Let's add pricing options, where each option has dedicated price. Now let's add a number field, which helps user to add the number of persons for package. And then let's enable the pricing option and select the custom formula option to add custom formula for calculating the price based on the number of persons entered. Adding a maximum value cap can help the user to limit the number of person can be included in a single booking. Now let's add a new section for entering the personal information to the form, where the user can enter the name of the person, age, gender, etc. Enabling the repeater option will help to repeat the section based on the number of persons entered. Now add a text field for entering the name of the person into the personal information section. Enter the label for the text field. And next, add a number field for entering the age. Let's now add a radio field for choosing the gender of the person. We can now add the gender options to the field options, where the user can only select one option at a time. And next, add a new section for adding additional package options, such as guided tour, travel insurance, dedicated transportation, etc. Now let's add some checkbox group fields for adding extra add-on options for the package. Rename the field as Guided Tour Option. Enable the pricing option and select the fixed price option for entering the price of the option. Now add another checkbox field and enter the label as Airport Pickup, and enable the price option and enter the price for the pickup. Now add another checkbox field and enter the label as Private Transiting, and enable the Price option and enter the price for the transport service. And finally, save the form and add the form to the product to display the form in the product page. Once redirecting the user to the product page, we could see the add-on form appearing on the product page. We can check how the product page works by placing a test order. Once completing the form, you can proceed to the cart by clicking the Add to Cart form. The cart page now has all the details of the add-on form filled by the user. Once proceeding to checkout page, we have detailed data of add-on form filled by the user.
So that's how we set up our smooth tour package booking add-on form. Now it's your turn to explore it yourself. You can visit the App Store using the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching.